Hello, I'm in a 2015 Hyundai Genesis, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood, and then on the driver's side here you should see this reservoir, this be for your coolant. You want to work with the system while it's cool and the vehicle's off, just because this liquid can get to a boil and you don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to splash out on you. But down below here you can see a full line and a low line. You want to keep an air gap here, but get it pretty close to that full line. And as best as you can, match the color of your new coolant to what's in here, and ideally the same brand you've been using. Best not to mix and match if you can help it. But just unscrew this, pop it off, and then either the funnel or straight from your jug, fill as needed. Screw this back on nice and tight. And then from here I would check through all the lines, make sure there's no cracks in the reservoir, the radiator, any leaks you can see puddling around the motor. One way to test this is to turn the vehicle on, and then you might see some coolant start puddling under the vehicle or around the engine bay if there is a leak. And the way to tell that versus water condensation is it'll have a slight coloration to it, a slight sweetness smell, and if you touch it, ideally with like a glove, it'll have a slight slickness feel to it versus what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.